Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about cybersecurity, PingFederate, Ping Access, IAM, SSO concept. So basically, cybersecurity is not a course. Cybersecurity is an environment which is having nearby 200 plus modules which are going to be available inside. In that, we will be having the identity access management, IAM, nothing but identity access management. So this IAM is very famous. Under this IAM, there are multiple products which are going to be available in the market. How the companies are actually making the security and maintaining the security throughout the logins, logins of the users or employees, whatever it may be. There are different kind of IAM tools, identity access management. IAM nothing but identity access management. IAM nothing but identity access management. So in the name only there, identity nothing but authentication authorization. Identity nothing but authentication. Access providing, access denying is something like authorization. Management nothing but I want to make a user enroll, I want to delete the user, or I want to give the permissions to the user, I want to cut down the permissions to the user, or I want to delete the user and creating the user groups. All these things are under control of the management. So throughout this identity access management is something like authentication, authorization, and user access management. So these are the different kind of topics which are going to be including with the identity access management. And then what are the major components with the IAM? What are the major components of IAM? The first component is in IAM. The first important component I want to tell you, authentication. The first important component, just I want to ping here. Okay. What is happening? The one is authentication. The one is authentication. And the second one is authorization. 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 Authentication, and second one is authorization. Third one is user management. User management. And fourth important one is access governance. Access governance. Access governance. So these are the four important factors which are going to be available with the IAM tool, identity access management tool. So when you compare with the different identity access management tools, this PingFederate, Ping Access is going to be highly demanding in the market, which is very easy comparing to the other things. And one more thing, Ping ID is a cloud that is also there, which is also going to be available. And we want to discuss about the concept called SSO, single sign on. Single sign on. So this particular PingFederate Ping Access is IAM tool, which is working with the single sign on, which is working with the MFA, multi-factor authentication. At the same time, which is going to be providing with the SAML certificates, SAML signing certificates for the users or user permissions, whatever it may be. And what are the benefits of this IAM? We need to understand what are the benefits of this IAM. Let me write down the benefits of the IAM. I will write down here. Benefits of this IAM. What are the benefits of this IAM? Okay, the first benefit I want to write down here. Centralized control. Centralized control. So control is going to be available in the centralized mode. In organization, in a business organization or finance organization or hospital organization, any organization, something like a centralized control. Control will be available in one area. And one more important thing is compliance. Compliance is the very important second point is compliance. Compliance. And third one is the improved security. Improved security. So when you compare with the normal single sign-on, without single sign-on, there are multiple usernames and multiple passwords we need to provide for the multiple applications. and users cannot able to remember all this number of passwords and usernames. They are going to be taking time, lot of time. Okay, so I will give you one general example how this SSO is benefitable in another video. No worry about it. Improved security. Yeah. So these are the major factors which are going to be a benefits of this particular IAM. Okay, let me tell you about each and everything. So what is this PingFederate? What is this ping access? What is this IAM? What is this SSO also? I will write down I will write down each and every definition here. The first one about the PingFederate. What is this PingFederate is? What is this PingFederate is? PingFederate is Enterprise Federation Server with the SAML OAuth 2. Enterprise Enterprise Enterprise. Okay, and sorry, my keyboard is not working properly. Enterprise. Sorry, guys. Okay, this is something like a Enterprise Federation Server. Federation Server. Enterprise Federation Server. My keys are not working properly. Yeah. Enterprise Federation Server with a SAML, secure assertion markup language, and one more thing, OAuth 2. OAuth 2. OAuth 2. PingFederate is Enterprise Federation Server with the SAML and OAuth 2 OIDC. And one more is ping access. What about ping access now? One more is ping access. What about this ping access again? Ping access. Ping access. What this ping access is? Just I want to tell you 1 second. Ping access. Ping access is something like a access gateway, policy engineer for the web applications. Access gateway, access gateway, access gateway, policy engine for web applications and APIs. Policy engine for web applications and gateways. For web applications and APIs. APIs. Okay. Let me go slow. Ping access is something like access gateway, policy engine for web applications and APIs. Act as a reverse proxy and forwarding access policies, integrate with PingFederate with the auth, does URL level policies, session management for apps behind it. And one more thing is IAM SSO, Central Identity Management and Authentication Authorization. So finally, IAM SSO. What is this IAM SSO? Majorly coming into the picture with the PingFederate ping access, IAM and SSO. We try to understand IAM SSO. This is the major important point we have to remember here. Central identity. This is something like a central identity. Central identity management. Central identity management. Okay. This is something like a central identity management and authentication authorization. Authentication authorization. Authentication authorization. Authentication and authorization. Authentication authorization flows. It will check with authentication authorization flows for users. Okay, so this is what actually I want to tell you here. A few important things I am actually delivering to you. In cybersecurity, there are a number of modules, 200 plus modules, which are going to be available. PingFederate, Ping Access, IAM, SSO, and Okta is there, CyberArk is there, 4G is there, SailPoint is there. N number of tools are there, but PingFederate is the best IAM tool which is going to be available. And here, what is the benefit of the IAM is, and what is IAM is? IAM nothing but it is basically working with the 4 factors. It is working with the 4 factors. The first factor is authentication, authorization, user management, access governance. No coding. There is no coding here. Everything is something like a integration part. And what are the major benefits of this particular IAM tools? Centralized control, compliance, and improved security. And one more thing, I am trying to giving the different kind of definitions for you. What is PingFederate? PingFederate is Enterprise Federation Server with the SAML OAuth 2, highly secured, highly secured. And Ping Access is the access gateway policy engine for the web applications and APIs. Okay, that is a accessing control management system. And here we need to understand about the IAM SSO. IAM SSO is the central identity management authentication authorization flows for the users. Okay. So the major important point of this IAM is, so how the user is going to be having with the single username and password, and he can able to access the multiple applications from the servers, or multiple servers he can able to access, or multiple applications he can able to access. And then who is the mediator here? Mediator is something like a IAM tool. Using with this IAM tool, this particular IAM and SSO is going to be working on. Single sign-on is going to be working on. So for single sign-on, previously we created one video. Just go through the video. Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. You find out SSO video. You just go through the SSO video. Each and every topic I will explain separately in the different videos. Don't worry about it. This is what actually I want to tell about the PingFederate Ping Access IAM SSO. Okay, there are a number of jobs which are going to be available for the IAM. Let me show. Let me open Naukri here. Let me open LinkedIn first. Let me open LinkedIn first. I am opening the LinkedIn here. Just go to the LinkedIn here. In the LinkedIn, you just click on the jobs over there. Just click on the jobs over there. Then you will be finding out n number of or huge number of jobs which are going to be available. For the cybersecurity, just type cybersecurity. Just type cybersecurity, IAM, PingFederate, and SSO. Just search like this. When you search like this, you will be finding a huge number of job openings which are going to be available. Can you see here? IAM expert, cybersecurity IAM implementation manager, IAM solution architect. Can you see huge number of job openings which are going to be available? Page by page, you can check it out. IAM security architect. In the page by page, you can search it out. You can find out a huge number of job openings which are going to be available over there. And let me check with the Naukri.com. Naukri is also one more good job portal where you can find out the same keywords I want to give here. Okay, I want to take the same keywords here and go through the Naukri and go through the jobs. Go to the jobs and search for the jobs using by these keywords. Only these keywords I am giving here, and click on the search button. You will be finding out a huge number of jobs. 16,688 jobs which are going to be available. IAM expert, security advisor, IT executive, information security specialist, and IAM engineer, juniors, even freshers also have been getting jobs. No programming needed. No programming needed. Everything is integration tool. And this is the very trending in the market in the part of the cyber security level. Okay, the same thing I will go with the found it also. Let me go with the found it. Even in the found it, I am searching for the same terminology and same technologies. And in found it also, you will be getting a huge number of job openings. Found it is not that much good comparing to the Naukri and LinkedIn. Okay, even found it also giving the number of job openings. And one more thing is Indeed, Indeed.com. Indeed.com, open Indeed.com, and there you can able to search for the this kind of technical skills. And here also you will be getting the huge number of job openings. Here also you will be getting the huge number of job openings. So please try to understand these topics here, research about these topics, and jobs are there. Huge number of job openings are there. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Mohansh Technologies is going to be a very special for all cybersecurity IAM tools. At the same time, Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing only emerging tools, online sessions, not only cybersecurity tools. Mohansh Technology courses you can go. There are a number of cybersecurity tools which are going to be available like PingFederate, Ping Access, Ping Divanshi, Groovy with AI, Full Stack with Python ML, and Ping One, and AI part data science prompt engineering, Octa 1, Full Stack Marn, Go language with AI, MuleSoft is there, Security Operations Center, Ethical Hacking, AML KYC, Blockchain, Web3.js, Blockchain Security, Blockchain with Python, Quantum Computing, SOC Analyst. Only emerging technologies, only job-oriented technologies, Mohan's strategy. And Mohan's one more strategy is only online sessions and job-oriented sessions. Everything should be there in the lab. With the lab only, Mohan's Technologies is going to be providing. Some other institutions, people are actually going with PPTs, all these IAM tools, but Mohan's is different. Everything should go with the lab only. The real-time experts are going to be telling the sessions for you. 20 plus years of experience people, real-time experts only going to be giving you the subject. Mohan's is going to be a 20 plus years of experience in IAM tools like PingFederate, Ping Access, all these things. Okay, so please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Comments are needed. Please provide some comments, guys. That is what actually this video for. In the next video, we will talk different concepts of IAM.